In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill theme in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for your account, including the tools you need to manage billing appearance and formatting. From Settings, select the Billing tab. Inside the Billing area, click on Bill Themes. This section lets you control how your invoices and bills are visually presented, which is especially helpful if you want a more polished, professional look that matches your firm's preferences. Next, click New Theme. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for your new bill theme. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple themes for different billing styles or use cases. After entering the name, click Create New Theme. Once the new theme is created, you can begin customizing it. Clio Manage gives you several sections to edit, allowing you to tailor the bill's layout and presentation. These sections include page setup, localization, watermark, header, invoice information, firm information, client information, table configuration, matter, statement of accounts, and footer. As you work through these areas, take your time to review each setting carefully. Small adjustments in spacing, labels, or displayed information can make a big difference in how clear and professional the final bill appears to your clients. After making your edits, click Preview as PDF to review the bill theme. This is an important step because it lets you see how everything will actually look in a finished document. Check the formatting, alignment, and overall readability before moving on. If you decide the theme name needs to be updated, click Rename and enter a new name. This can be useful if the final design ends up serving a slightly different purpose than you originally planned. When you're happy with the setup, save your changes. Make sure everything is stored properly so your customized theme is available the next time you need it. If you want to use this design for future invoices, copy the theme to your billing templates. This helps streamline your workflow and keeps your billing documents consistent over time without requiring you to recreate the same layout again. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a bill theme in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.